with us. This box right here, this is your guys' dead box. There's one on the other side just exactly like it. The same place as well. That is where you guys go when you guys get shot. When you guys get shot, put your guys' gun up in the air, walk to the side of the field, and go back to your dead box, tap it, and respond. Okay? When you guys are behind that dead box, please keep your guys' mask on. And if you guys are also behind that dead box, please do not shoot from that dead box because dead people cannot shoot. And you guys could also go back to that dead box if you guys run out of paint or air in the middle of the game. And if you guys want to refill on paint or air, come ask me first so I can let you guys off the field. That way I know who's on the field. Keep that finger off the trigger, please. And you guys come back in the game. But before you guys leave, please have your guys' barrel covers on, okay? And also, do you guys know what to do when you guys are within 20 feet of somebody?
Surrender.
Yell surrender, okay. If you yell surrender, or sorry, if you don't yell surrender and you're within 20 feet of somebody, who's out?
You.
Shooter. Thank you. Now, blind man rules. What do you guys do if your guys' mask falls off?
Cover your face.
Cover your face.
Go out of the ground. Cover your guys' eyes with your arms like this or both, whatever. As long as your guys' eyes are covered, okay? And yell blind man. And also, what are the two things that you do when someone's mask is off?
Yell blind man.
Stop shooting, yell blind man.
And yell blind man. Both teams, okay? And other than that, that's basically it. Game mode we'll be doing. Team deathmatch? I don't know. You guys want team deathmatch or domination? Domination. Alright, then we'll run domination. Domination, main goal of domination.
Wait, what's domination?
I'm explaining right now. The main goal of domination, the main objective is to take up the majority of the field or more than 50% of the field. So 50% is big light post with the lights in the middle. You guys see it? On the right side? That's the 50 point. If you guys can take that 50 point or more and hold the enemy team to their dead box, you guys win. Okay? If you guys hold it down for, let's say, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, you guys win the game, okay? So that's basically it. Just take up the majority of the field, you and your team, at least like a minimum of 3 people, all right, in the middle. I will be calling out who has the field or who has the majority of the field. If near side has the majority of the field, I will say near side has the 50, near side has the 50. And vice versa with the far side, I will say far side has the 50, far side has the 50. And if both teams are at the 50 and they're fighting it out, I'm gonna say 50 is neutral, okay? Meaning both teams are on the 50 until one team ends up beating the other, okay? And we'll be doing infinite lives, okay? That does not mean that you guys get shot infinite amount of times. An infinite amount of times. And that's one life. That's not what that means. What it means is one shot, one kill. Once you get shot once, that call out and go back to your dead box, okay? That's basically it. Any questions? You guys are good? Alright. Let me get one person from both sides, play rock, paper, scissors, who has to take the walk and take far side.
We're just gonna run.
Brothers.
Alright, you guys have to take a walk and take far side.
Rigged.
Oh, yeah, you guys ready? You guys ready to do this?
Yeah. I'm ready to run out of breath at the start of the round.
You guys will take near side, okay?
There's a slope there. You could get on the slope and then just...
We're probably gonna get blasted. We should get shot once. What? Someone's getting murdered, dude. Someone has a full auto.
No full out on the building. That's not full auto. It's not.
A lot of people.
You know, that side?
Yeah.
No, you want to go that side or that side?
That side. I like that little hill right there.
Cross.
Mine's shooting straight. Why is this thing go full 180? Look at the paint cap.
Very good question.
I think you rotate this thing. Oh, I can't.
Half of us are camera, half of us are not.
Are they gonna say open?
Look, just make your way to the middle and if you accidentally hit it,
So initially, just get out here as far as we can.
right there, you're gonna do it, I guess.
No, I'm going to shoot one right when it's cut.
If you recognize a teammate, just shout blue on blue.
Battlefront too? We're going to use blast people off the bat. I'll do it.
So we can get position on him if he does the right thing.
Oh, he's getting ready.
You can play probably from that side.
So, how'd you hit it?
Push it metal.
That fool hit me on the corner. Right there, all the way down straight.
I got tagged in the shoulder.
Shoulder?
I got hit in the shoulder, bro.
Bruh.
That was laying behind a box, and his head is sticking out, and I'm just lighting him up, and he's just staying crouched.
You got top 2 dudes in the head, though.
I shot a guy 15 times in the head, and I got shot in the head. Yeah, I shot you. Huh?
That's just Russian, man. Not right out.
Yeah, fact.
Right side, right side. Oh my god. Jesus.
I got hit in the shoulder again.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm out. I'm out.
One guy, his whole left eye is just filled with paint.
Oh, the guy with the tank top?
Huh?
I seen the guy with the tank got right in the face too. Oh wow, cool.
Well, I'd warn because they're beautiful. That's why I'm just saying. I don't know, Garrett. I don't have
any It's just exhausting, dude. Holy shit. I'm sweating so much now. Alright, dude, ready? Oh, fuck!
Holy shit.
Dude,
Bro, they're shooting at dead people.
dude, some asshole shot me and I was walking away and he shot me in the fucking rib. I got shot in the back of the head.
Dude, I did that to someone on
I got
accident,
shot by my
bro.
teammate.
I didn't put their hand up. I shot them like 3 times.
It's tiring, huh?
I got shot by Richard.
That's fucked up. You got shot by Richard?
Yeah, it's right in the
Hey,
head.
what the fuck?
I don't know how we didn't
Yeah, dude, you could get shot back here. Did we just lose? They're shooting at us in spawn.
Yeah.
Oh, we're not done yet. Come on, Charlie. Come on, guys, get out there.
out.
Is the game over? Oh. Yeah, what is it? And they kept shooting at me. I want to play
I got shot.
They kept shooting at me when I was dead. I put my gun up and everything.
Jesus.
I accidentally like overloaded into someone that said surrender.
Yeah.
I think it's soda. Anybody?
Bro, I'm actually like, I need to take a break for a round.
Yeah. I guess we could take a break. Still got a lot of time.
Yeah, I literally shot a guy that, but I would have been into the fucking 6 minutes.
Yeah, I like the red. Was that fun? You like watching it? Yeah. Thanks to the Max. Thanks to Max. Claire, did your gun cover on, please?
The biggest push I've ever done.
Jeez.
As soon as I peek, it's like boom, boom.
They're on the head, but it ricocheted. Is there a thing about red?
Dude, I thought you picked up cars, though.
With Charlie wanted me. I was like, come on, Charlie. Dude, I smoked it. You were up there. I don't know if I saw you. I freaking ran around in the truck. Hey, you guys want to go get some water, man?
I was too quick. I'll always remember that.
Let's go eat some water, guys.
Yeah, that's good water.
Alright, guys, you guys are done. You done? Come back to field 6, alright?
Who won that game?
We did.
Again? Yeah, we won.
Blair, green shirt. He got barrel from one.
Oh shoot, I thought I had it on.
They're using that old mask for the clean it off.